Uh, before Ujiki Mfundo came in, the work that we were doing, in fact, was not well organized. One, as a circuit manager, we are tasked with the responsibility to go and give support to schools, but there was no clear program as to uh, what informs the circuit manager to go to schools. There were no prior arrangements with the school. The circuit manager will just pop in only to find that when you arrive at the school, the principal was not ready for the circuit manager. Thank you very much for the coming of Pilo, who taught us a number of things. For instance, making appointments to come to schools, alerting the principal what is it that they will be looking for, so that when you come to the school, the principal will be ready for any interactions. In fact, Chigimfundo made things easy for us as well as the schools in terms of our operations. So really, Uchigimfundo helped us a lot. It's now easy. When you go to school, you phone the principal prior, tell the principal what is it that you are expecting, and then when you arrive at school, everything is running smooth. The way we were introduced to Chigimfundo, they were, as a district, we were underperforming, and the Chigimfundo agents, we were invited through a number of workshops where we were taken through what Chigimfundo is all about, and then we were made to reflect on ourselves in terms of our operations. And Uchigimfundo then made us to express our own feelings in terms of our operations, only to find that our operations were like of fault finding when we go to schools. And we were then channeled as to how to change our approach in terms of visiting schools so that it becomes a supportive program, not a fault finding program. So, through a number of workshops, it was like a journey that we needed to go through. There are things that we needed to stop doing. There were things that we needed to start doing. And there were things that we needed to continue doing. So really, Uchigimfundo helped us a lot. There were a number of things, the negative things that we were doing that we were meant to stop. Like earlier on, I said, visiting schools without prior arrangement is one of the negative things that we were doing. Working in silos is one of the things that we were doing. So we had to stop them. And then we started coming together, making a district calendar so that we synergize our activities. After Uchigimfundo came into operation in our district, we started changing our approach. Number one, we started identifying the negative things that we were doing, and then we stopped them. And secondly, we started doing the new things. And then thirdly, there are things that we continued doing. So, like I said earlier on, the negative things that we were doing were like going to schools without any prior arrangement. And another thing, we had no tools altogether. And Uchigimfundo came out with brilliant tools. There were a number of them because as a district, we were using different monitoring tools. So there was a tool where, as a circuit manager, you need to have a one-on-one engagement with the principal, discussing issues of curriculum management, and where the principal is going to report as to how he is managing e-curriculum from his SMT members. Another tool was a tool where the principal will have to have one-on-one with an HOD, and then those are the reports that when we go to school, so that we minimize disturbance in the classrooms. So the principal will have to prepare all those reports where he used to have one-on-one with the teachers, one-on-one with the DH. Then the principal will have to bring all that information to you during that particular visit. So really, Uchigi Mfundo has helped us a lot, and as up to now, we really feel empowered. What Uchigi Mfundo planted to us is going to be with us for a long, long, long time. Uchigi Mfundo, when coming to learner tracking performance, there are tools that are related to tracking learner performance that we are using it now, where the teacher will reflect as to what topic was actually presented in the classroom, and how many of the learners did actually cover the curriculum in terms of that particular topic that was taught. And then the program is to say what is to be done next for the learners who were identified not to have covered the curriculum, because there are two ways. The teacher can cover the curriculum, but only to find that the learner has not covered. So there must be a way of reflecting as to the curriculum coverage on both sides of the teacher and the learner, so that a recovery plan will have to be in place to assist those learners who might have not understood or covered that particular topic. So that's one way that the Uchigi Mfundo tool is actually assisting us, and it is working very well. And another thing, there were issues of trackers, planners and trackers that were introduced to our schools. So it's actually telling us what is it that need to be taught in this week and in each and every day. And then there must be a way of reflecting that out of what has been taught, how many learners have actually understood what was actually taught. So really working now with these trackers and planners make it very, very easy for us and the teachers in our schools. I think Uchigi Mfundo has helped me a lot in terms of my approach. I remember one of the sessions that we had where I was asked a question which said, what actually informs the circuit manager which schools to visit? And it was very clear, because after that we had the Triple D, which is a district data-driven system, where schools will load information to the SA SAMs, and then through that information, the circuit manager will be able to check which aspects that he wants to check. Let me say, for instance, if you want to check learner attendance, you would zoom in into the Triple D, and it will tell you which schools are actually struggling in terms of um, loading the information, or which schools are actually having high rate of absenteeism. Then you'll be able to uh, zoom in into those schools so that you come out with a program of how to assist them. So Uchigi Mfundo has actually changed my thinking. I feel like more organized now. I feel now having a easy way of identifying challenges through the usage of the tools, usage of Triple D that was introduced to us by Uchigi Mfundo. I feel like a better person now, because I can even now ask a question after visiting a particular school. Then upon towards the end, I would ask the principal, how can I help you? Then actually the approach has actually changed. It was changed totally, totally. I'm now a different person from what I used to be prior, which Mfundo was introduced to our district. I think the most important thing that has totally changed from me is the positive attitude. Uh, Prior Ujike Mfundo, really when things were not going right in school, I would actually associate it with the principal or a teacher. So the approach that actually I had to use was the negative one, was actually to lambast the teacher, lambast the principal. But now the approach, the attitude has actually changed. Whenever I visit a school, I go to school knowing that there are things that I might find not going well. So I had to identify them, and then we sit down and find out from the teacher or principal how that particular teacher could be assisted. So my attitude has actually has changed altogether. I'm now a different person. Even things are not going right, I understand that there are areas of development from that particular activity. So I'm now a changed person in terms of uh, attitude, not leaving behind the knowledge that Ujike Mfundo has actually empowered. I also feel empowered in my operations. Really, I now know how to organize myself when I go to school, keeping time, being professional. In fact, Ujike Mfundo has actually helped us a lot. And my wish was that Ujike Mfundo could stay with us for a long time, but we don't know. But what is more important, that even though Ujike Mfundo maybe is not with us anymore, but he has left us with a lot of information and the skills, we really feel more empowered.